dun 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 dun.
Hello, internet user. My name is Gary of Gary's Wares, and I hate my lighting situation. God, I hate this light so much. Look at this. Look here. What color is that light? On the camera, it looks white, but I'm looking at it right now, and it's like, it's some stupid orange, yellowy. I don't even know. I don't even know what I call that shade. Like rancid eggshell, an idiot sunrise. Anyway, this video isn't about my irrational hatred of my lighting situation. This video is about the importance of lighting and woodworking. Before I start, let me state that I am not an expert on light bulbs. This is exactly what I told the Sansi representative that contacted me to see if I'd do a review on their product. What I said was, I have no previous experience in judging the qualities of light bulbs, nor do I feel that I could pretend to be an expert. And I meant that. I didn't know anything about the quality of light bulbs. They said, that's all right. Well, what exactly are the qualities of a light bulb? What should I look for when I'm getting one? Light, by all scientific estimations, is super weird. At one point, scientists weren't sure if light was actually a wave or a particle. Now they kind of think it's both. Anyway, that doesn't matter. What matters is that the two main components of light are the visible part and the heat part, or luminous flux and radiant flux. When it comes to light bulbs, the three variables to pay attention to are lumens, color rendering index, and color temperature. Lumens, or luminous flux, is a measurement of visible light over time. Think of it as brightness, but it's a little more technical than that. Color rendering index, or CRI, is the ability of light to accurately reveal colors. Imagine a very bright black light. It may light up the room, but good luck picking out your favorite Skittle. Color temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, is harder for me to define. The Wikipedia article talks about ideal black body radiation, but I have no clue what that means. What I think it means is that it's analogous to the color of fire. Consider the difference between a Zippo's flame and that of a butane torch. Redder is colder, bluer is hotter. From what I've read, 5,000 Kelvin is the ideal color temperature for woodworking and other light-critical applications, like gastro bypass surgery. So the Sansi light bulb company sent me a couple light bulbs to try out, and they arrived today. The first thing I can say is I ordered these light bulbs on Monday. On Tuesday, I got an email with tracking information about where it is, and today's Wednesday, and I came home from being out and about, and it's right there in my door. I like that kind of thing. Wow. Well, it sure does look cool. Imagine some science fiction movie where they went absolutely nuts with the details and they were like, well, what do you think light bulbs in the future will be like? Like this. This is definitely a good looking light bulb, but now I'm going to put it to the test. I don't have any other LED lights to compare it to, but I do have this $3 bulb. Obviously this one is going to be better than this one, but by how much? So it's around midnight right now, and I have a simple clamp light connected to my sawhorse with a paper shade around it so I don't upset my neighbors. First thing we're going to try is the $3 light bulb. So that's what we get with the $3 light bulb. And this is what it looks like at different angles. I'm not real sure what the difference is going to be, but this is what it looks like. And now, to try the Sansi bulb. Here's something that's already an issue. I only had the bulb on for about 10 minutes and I have to use a glove to take it out because it's too hot. So now I have the Sansi bulb installed, and this is my first time turning it on ever, so let's see what it does. Wow. Oh, I like that. That's a good light. There's definitely a difference. It's hard to really quantify what the difference is, though. It seems like it's a lot more apparent where the lines are, and everything just seems a lot clearer. It looks like the shadows are more crisply defined. I like that. I like that a lot. That even looks better on my phone. That's impressive. To see how hot this bulb gets, I set a timer for 10 minutes and then left it on for a little bit longer than that. And let's check it out. Oh yeah, it's warm. It'll get warm right here, but it's about like a hot cup of coffee, not like the $3 light bulb. I could hardly even touch that thing. I think that was a pretty good rough test of the luminosity. Now we're going to test the color rendering index. This is what everything looks like with the $3 bulb. Bulb is a hard word to say. Dimmable bulb. Anyway, and now the LED bulb. I'm not sure, bulb. Jeez, what a weird word. Anyway, I'm not sure how this is turning out on camera, but looking at it with my eyeballs, this looks so much better. So much better. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Oh. So that covers all the variables of a light bulb. However, there's a lot of different light bulbs out there. There are regular light bulbs that only have one setting where you just flip the switch, it turns on, it doesn't do anything else. My $3 bulb is a three-way, which means it's configured for switches that have a low, medium, and high setting. You can't put bulbs like these in a dimmer switch because apparently it blows up. I'm going to give that a try later. Anyway, I bought this for this video, and what it does is it turns a standard normal light into a dimmer light with this little thing right here. This says it's rated for 300 watts maximum, and my $3 bulb is 120 watts. The Sansi bulb is 27, so I think I'm safe. But first... Oh, nothing. Well, that's kind of disappointing. And you may be saying to yourself, yeah, Gary of Gary's Wares, that's all well and good with the CRI and the coloring and all of that. Yeah, and it looks good, but for $40, it better look good, right? Why would I spend $40 on 2 light bulbs when I can just go to Kroger and make do with the $3 ones? That's way cheaper, isn't it? Let's do the math. Here's the information on my 3-way bulb. Since I don't have a dimmer switch, the bulb constantly operates at max setting, meaning that it costs $18.07 per year to use. It's also only expected to last about a year. The Sansi bulb costs a mere $3.25 to operate and is expected to last 22.8 years. In the time it takes the LED bulb to burn out, you will have replaced the 3-way bulb 20 times, costing you $31.23 at the register. Your power bill, however, will have taken a hit of $412. Altogether, your 3-way bulb will cost you $443.23, whereas the LED bulb only costs around $94 in total. And should anything happen to the bulb, Sansi offers a 5-year unlimited warranty. In other words, this light bulb comes with insurance. And so, yeah, I really like this light bulb. I even like how it's flat. It doesn't go anywhere. I like this piece of crap. And so now, there's only one thing left to do. Oh, yeah, that is so much better. Oh, boy. And, uh-oh. I just realized how dirty my apartment is. Oh. Well, I guess that's everything. If I had to say anything negative about these bulbs, I'd say that they're heavy. But still, that's nothing compared to proper lighting, right? If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe and consider supporting me on Patreon, but you don't have to. And now, on to get to some reading. Oh no. Oh, this is so racist. Oh no. This guy didn't have any friends, I bet. Oh. Cows in trouble. Renegade cows. Steve Martin, Euro trip.